Hello everyone, welcome to Optiongig. This is your host Vivek, part-time option trader and full-time worker, husband and father. If you also want to generate consistent monthly income trading options while working in your regular day job, then join me in this journey. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. On behalf of Optiongig, I wish you all a very happy new year and a profitable 2020. Secondly, I also want to apologize for bringing this weekly updates a little bit late. I've been traveling with friends and families on the annual winter vacation for almost 2 weeks. Just came back home 2 days ago. I didn't receive the type of welcome that I was expecting, and me and my family, we were all down and all sick. I just recovered enough to be able to sit down and talk, so I thought, let me finish my backlog of recording, and here I come in front of you to present you the summary for not the week, but starting from 23rd of December till end of December. This is slightly different than what we do every week, because this was the last 2 weeks of December. So instead of splitting the trades of 2019 and 2020, I thought, let me consolidate all the trades for 2019 into this video, and starting from 1st of January till the 10th of January I will cover in the next video. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the summary of the trades. And also apologies for my hoarse voice, still recovering from a bad throat and fever and a cold, but I hope you'll be able to comprehend what I'm saying, and forgive me if some things are not clear. Also feel free to email me, and then I'll be happy to respond to you over emails. Alright, let's jump into the quick summary. Last week of market, generally markets will not have drastic movements, except 2018 was a little different, but this year market behaved as it should. So if we really look into the broad market, changed 0.08%. So it opened on 321.59 and closed at 321.86. Not much of a change. Dow Jones Industrial Average, DIA ETF, again almost similar. It was a negative 0.08%. QQQ was a leader because of the strength in the technology stocks. So QQQ ETF opened at 212.03 and closed on 31st of December at 212.61. Again, as compared to Spiders and Dow Jones Industrial Average, it showed quite a bit of a movement. The change was 0.27%. IWM was a big surprise because it actually fell down. IWM opened at 166.24 and closed at 165.67, fell by 0.57 points or 0.34%. So that's for the broad market ETFs and how they behaved. Again, nothing changed in Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500. Tech sector was stronger, and the small and medium business, they actually fell down. Now let's look at how our portfolio did. So again, since I knew that I would be traveling, I did not want to open up any new trades. I wanted to avoid as much opening new trades as I could, and my only focus was to close the trades, at least all the profitable trades. So before I left for vacation, I had put GTC orders, because I did not know when I will have access to internet and to trade or not. So I had my GTC orders in place, and the beauty of the GTC orders is, whether you're looking at at it or not, if your criteria is met, the trade will be automatically closed. So in totality, we closed total 12 trades. All 12 were profitable trades, so 100% winners, and we opened just 2 new trades. Like I said, last week we were traveling, didn't want to open up too many trades because I wouldn't have any time to look at those because of vacations. I'll get back to active trading from 2020 onwards. Okay, so let's jump into the details of our trades. So here are our profitable trades. So the top 3 profitable trades, the first one was that was a short put on ISRG, which is Intuitive Surgical. So I actually had sold off the 14 shares of ISRG in my long portfolio account. So I opened up a 15 delta put spread in options, so that I still maintain the same level of bullishness, but I use a better capital allocation. So I sold off the shares in my long portfolio and opened a similar bullish position in my options portfolio of a 15 delta, and this trade was profitable within 13 days. It hit our profit target. So eventually we made $280. That was 8% return on capital within 13 days in trade. I still have bullish outlook towards Intuitive Surgical. I'll just see where the implied volatility is now, and we'll open up another bullish trade. The next trade that we closed profitably was, this was a part of a strangle 115 and with 115 and 130 strikes. So it was done on in two separate trades. So in this particular trade, we are actually closing the 115 short strike, the puts we are closing. So it got order closed on 12:31. I was on vacation. I just got notification on my phone that the trade was order closed, and we made $212, a nice decent profit. Can beat it when you get $200 while on vacation. Nothing better than that. Again, return on capital was approximately 8%, and we stayed 25 days in trade. The last one was our $16 strike short put. I had been maintaining a bullish stance on silver, so I had a short put on silver with a strike price of 50 or strike price of 16. We rolled it out from December to January, and on 26th of December it got order closed while I was away. Return on capital was 13% within 16 days in trade. Again, happy to get out of it. 2019 was coming to close, so I wanted to get out and closed as many profitable trades as I could, so that we start 2020 with a clean slate. These are the top 3 profitable trades. Like I mentioned in the previous slide, overall we closed 12 trades and all of 12 were winners. Great ending for the year. I hope every week is like that, but we all know that's not feasible. I would say this is could be my lucky charm and could be a lucky start to 2020. We'll see how that goes later. All right, looking at the new trades that we opened. Again, I've been traveling, so didn't try to open many trades. One thing which I opened was on Home Depot. I opened a 16 delta covered call. I own 100 shares of Home Depot at a cost basis of $219.73. So I had to open this trade on 23rd, but this also got auto closed on 31st. Just before the year ended, we closed this particular trade, made $67 in it, but I was okay to make whatever profit and just close this trade. The other trade that we opened, which is still open, is we rolled down our TLT 144 call to 140 call. So now we have an iron condor on TLT with the short strikes of 138 and 140. So again, going back on TLT, when we opened an iron condor with a short put strike at 138, and we opened up a short call strike at 144. TLT has been staying low, and so as a part of our hedging strategy, we rolled down the 144 short call to 140 short call and try to recenter the trade. This is an adjustment trade that we did. We did it on 31st, last day of 2019. We did this adjustment trade. Apart from that, nothing much. I was having some good time with friends and families. It was good to get some time off from trading and spend time with family. So these were the only trades that I wanted to quickly discuss. Once again, my apologies for bringing this video a bit later than usual, but I am glad that it's better late than never, and I'm able to bring this to you today. So again, if you have any questions, please write it to me at optiongig@gmail.com, or post it in the comments if you're watching it on YouTube, or if you are seeing this on my website, please add your comments on the website. Again, if you want to follow all the trades that I do, you can go to my website www.optiongig.com/trades. In these videos, I only cover top 3 trades. It's not possible to cover all the trades, but on my website, I share all the trades in chronological order. Once again, the address for viewing all my trades is www.optiongig.com/trades, and there you can select for which day you want to view my trades. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate you joining me at this time, and wish you a very, very profitable 2020. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please write it in comments or email it to optiongig@gmail.com. If you liked what you learned, please help us spread the word so others can also benefit from it.